Welcome back to part 2 of making the best meatballs in the world. The turkey meatballs with stuffing and dried cranberries. Now the dried cranberry, the meatballs are done. The dried cranberries, the onions, the celery, everything looks so amazing. Now, I already put some mashed potatoes in my bowl, and we're just going to take a few of the cranberries. Look at that. Wish you guys had smell-o-vision. It smells so great. And just put them in the bowl. Put some turkey gravy on there. And that is all. There you have it. The best meatballs. I swear to you, these are so delish. And hopefully they're not too hot, which just came out of the oven, so they're going to be piping hot. So yummy. Well, that's the end of this video. This is part 2. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want. And I have a lot more recipes to share with you guys. Have a great night.